I love this time of year. It's a time to decorate the Christmas tree, put up the stockings, and
do awesome science projects! Woo! Science!
in this video we're going to show you how to shrink a coin, make beads jump, and run through a Christmas card. Let's start by shrinking that coin. For this experiment you'll need a 1p coin, a 2p coin, a piece of paper, a pencil, and a pair of scissors. First, put your 1p coin in the middle of the paper, then draw around it with the pencil. And now cut out the circle. Now here's the clever thing. You're going to show people that this 2p coin can shrink to go through this tiny hole. All you have to do is fold it in half and put the 2p inside the paper fold. Now take the sides of the paper with your hands and then slowly maneuver it so the paper folds and out drops the 2p coin. It's as if you've shrunk it. In our next experiment, these beads are going to make a daring escape. For this experiment, you'll need a glass and a string of beads. For this experiment, all you need to do is put the beads into the glass, but make sure that 5 centimeters worth of beads is hanging outside of the glass. And all you need to do is let them drop. And you'll see that the beads jump out of the glass all by themselves. The next trick you're going to tell your friends that you can move through a Christmas card, and they'll be like, no you can't, and you'll be like, yes I can, and then you're going to prove it and they're going to look really silly. For this experiment you'll need a Christmas card and a pair of scissors. All you have to do for this experiment is fold your Christmas card in half and then cut the card carefully like we've shown you here. When you open it up, you'll be able to pull it apart and then you'll be able to move through it like this, showing your friends that you've just moved through a Christmas card. Merry Christmas from everyone at Think Tank Birmingham Science Museum and Birmingham Museums.